Okay, okay na.
Okay, bye. Bye-bye.
Fried egg, and then I prepare a sandwich for her, Nutella, and then some fruits, banana,
What banana?
apples, and
Only white apples.
apples, and
Bakit apples?
milk, kasi it's healthy. Sabi nila, nakakaano daw yun ng katawan, potassium or something like that, but you have to find it, you Google it. But
Oh.
every day at work, I saw a lot of my coworkers eating apples in the morning, the first break time. Apple, everyone.